Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer affiliate leads into HubSpot CRM, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer affiliate leads into HubSpot CRM, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Contacts tab in the main dashboard. Select the import option to begin the transfer process. Choose the method of import that suits you, such as uploading a file or connecting an integration. If you are uploading a file, ensure it is in CSV format for compatibility. Open your CSV file and organize your leads based on the required fields in HubSpot. Common fields include first name, last name, email address, phone number, and company name. Make sure each column header matches HubSpot's fields to avoid mapping errors. Once your CSV file is ready, go back to HubSpot and select your file for import. Follow the prompts to match the columns in your file with HubSpot properties. Review the mapping carefully to ensure accuracy. After mapping, click Next to proceed. You will have the option to create a new contact in HubSpot or update existing ones based on matching criteria. Choose the option that fits your needs and click Next again. HubSpot will provide a summary of the import settings. Double-check this summary to confirm that everything is correct. After confirming, click on the Import button to start transferring the leads. You will receive a notification once the import is complete. Check your contacts list to see if the new leads have been added successfully. If there are any errors, HubSpot will notify you via email with details. Make sure to review these errors and correct any issues in your original CSV file if needed. Once your leads are imported and corrected, consider setting up workflows to automate follow-up processes. This will help you manage your affiliate leads effectively within HubSpot. Now you are ready to engage with your new contacts and track their progress in the CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.